Étudier.
means to study. In this video, we will learn the verb to study in the present tense and its conjugation with the subject pronouns. Hello and welcome back to your own French learning channel, Learn French with Di.Vi. This is a regular verb, and it follows the same pattern that we have learned in earlier lesson. Let's conjugate it in the present tense using this pattern. I study.
J'étudie.
You study. Informal way.
Tu étudies.
He studies. Masculine.
Il étudie.
She studies. Feminine.
Elle étudie.
We study or one studies. Informal way.
On étudie.
We study. Formal way.
Nous étudions.
You study. Formal way.
Vous étudiez.
They study. Group of males or mixed people.
Ils étudient.
They study. Group of only females.
Elles étudient.
This French verb refers to academic studies, as well as the general act of acquiring knowledge or skills in a particular area. It is commonly used to indicate the act of learning or examining a subject through various methods, such as reading, research, and practice. Let's use these conjugations and build some sentences. For now, just concentrate on the verb conjugation. Building sentences will be taught in subsequent lessons. I study French every day.
J'étudie le français tous les jours. J'étudie le français tous les jours.
You study French.
Tu étudies le français. Tu étudies le français.
He studies math in the evening.
Il étudie les mathématiques le soir. Il étudie les mathématiques le soir.
She studies history.
Elle étudie l'histoire. Elle étudie l'histoire.
We study before dinner.
On étudie avant le dîner. On étudie avant le dîner.
We study at the library.
Nous étudions à la bibliothèque. Nous étudions à la bibliothèque.
You study for the exam.
Vous étudiez pour l'examen. Vous étudiez pour l'examen.
They study science.
Il étudie les sciences. Ils étudient les sciences.
They study music.
Elles étudient la musique. Elles étudient la musique.
Let's repeat the conjugation one more time. If you are following my videos regularly, you will be aware of this subject pronoun table. I study.
J'étudie.
You study.
Tu étudies.
He studies.
Il étudie.
She studies.
Elle étudie.
We study or One studies.
On étudie.
We study.
Nous étudions.
You study.
Vous étudiez.
They study.
Ils étudient.
They study.
Elles étudient.
In subsequent lessons, we will be learning about building the vocabulary and sentences. Till then, please keep practicing. Goodbye for now, and see you in next video. Thank you for tuning in and watching the video. If you enjoyed it, please don't forget to hit the like button. Subscribe to our channel for more such training videos and share this video with your friends and family.